Welcome. In front of me I have LG Q6, and today I will show you how we can adjust notification bar shortcuts. So you have to open your notification bar just like that, and then click edit right here in the right bottom corner of the notification bar. And as you can see, if you want to change position of these icons, just simply click, hold, and then drag icon like that. You can remove also these icons by dragging them below. You can add also additional icons just like that. So as you can see, it's very simple. If you want to save, click on this marker, and as you can see, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.